Hello, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I am in Newcastle-under-Lyme Museum and we're going to have a look round the old Victorian street in Newcastle Museum. J.A. Dale Pharmacy. Got a window here outside. Let's have a look out. Just going dark outside. Somebody walking there. Oh, we've got an old shop here. Don't know what kind of shop it is. Looks like clothing. Some kind of women's clothing. It says very dark in here. Got an old chemist. All them old bottles. J.A. Dale Chemists. An old chemist shop. Electric fire there. Turned on. An old doorway. No, it isn't. It's got writing on it. Well, it's a bit too dark to read. I can never remember a chemist being like this, with all old stuff in it. A bit before my time. So what have we got up here? I've been told all these shops in the museum are all based on real shops in Newcastle town centre. An old pocket watch. What have we got here? Mallard and Sons. I can remember Mallard's being in Newcastle. It used to be by the Guildhall. But I can't remember it selling this kind of stuff. It used to sell all camping stuff. Tents, sleeping bags, boots, and all that kind of stuff. Well, it closed in about the 1980s. The early 1980s. Hours of business, 8:30 AM till 10 PM. It's a bit late. A bit dark. John Davies, boot and shoemaker. Repairs undertaken. Old shoes and boots. What have we got? Quality and strength Hercules cycles. Henry Crouch, cabinet and picture frame maker. So the last time the shops in Newcastle looked like this, Queen Victoria was on the throne. In England ruled the empire. P.W. Tilsley, watch and clockmaker. Look inside, can you find? Where you're supposed to look for all that sort of stuff. Have a quick look in. There's be a clockmaker still in Newcastle, used to be. Don't know if it's still there. Big old grandfather clock. VR post office. VR means Victoria Regina. No, Victorian post box. What have we got here? What is it? An old living room. Is it a living room? It looks like one. Oh, I think it might be a doctor's surgery. Is it? No, it isn't the doctor's, is it? Or is it? Can't really tell. John and Gaunt's, does that say? What have we got here? Looks like an old Noah's Ark. Boat. Some toys. Prudential. I think they used to do loans, didn't they? Small loans. Curios. Van Houten's Cocoa. Some old tins. Punch. 3p. Punch used to be a magazine, I think. Now magazine. Charles Stanley. Don't know who he was. Some old pottery. Sweet shop. Some old sweets. An old door, salad in the floor, outside the shop. Old Victorian cobblestones. Yeah, I can remember my lords in Newcastle, but it wasn't like this. Didn't my lord? Was it John Mosley? Or own my lords? And he used to live here. This was his house, the museum. The museum has been here since 1956. Lawn mowers. Used to sell a bit of everything. Fire extinguisher, a cooker. I think all this stuff has been donated to the museum. What have we got here? In memoriam. Funerals. Mourning warehouse. Drapers, Mosley Brothers, Drapers. Loud funeral suit. Stylish smoking cap. Tailoring undertaken, Mosley Brothers. Gentlemen's and boys' superior clothing. Have we been here once? Can't remember. So people, that's where I'm going about leave it. So I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now. Bye.